Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do your citations for the Element project. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this website. I'm going to have it linked to Google Classroom. I'm going to say that I'm doing the website for calcium. And calcium, I chose this website, so I'm just going to copy the URL, which is the website address up here. And I'm going to go back to the Purdue website and click paste. And then I'm going to cite it. I'm going to click cite. And down here, it shows me the website that I pasted on the previous website. And you just click select. Then it says everything that it found, and you click final step. Now, unfortunately, there was no author that it found. So you may actually have to go back to your website and see if you can find the author's name, because you have to have the author. So for my article, it was, let's see, Nancy Choi. So I have to add that. And then I click create citation. And then here is my citation that I put on my either citation page or my research page, which is the very end of your PowerPoint at the very end of your paper. So you're going to, if you are quoting something in your paper, you have to have the author's last name and then the year that it was written. So you have to do in-text citations. So you have the author's last name, Choi, and you have the year. And so you do not put a comma. You just put the last name and the year. So you just put copy, paste. Then I'm going to open up a Word doc and show you what it's going to look like. So this would be if I stole an actual sentence from the website. So let's say it says calcium is vital for bone health. So in my paper I would put calcium is vital for bone health. And I would not put a period. I would put a space and I would paste. And then I would put my period at the end. And I am done. So that's how you do in-text citations. Now, if you are not quoting it directly, like you're just getting a picture from it, or you read the article and you're just kind of getting some information from it, then you do not have to do an in-text citation. You just have to do it at the very end.